Natural language processing, often just abbreviated to NLP, is a field of AI that allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language data similar to how we would communicate with one another. There's a wide array of techniques used to process and analyze this data, involving statistics, machine learning, and deep learning. NLP came to life in around the 1950s, but early methods focused on rule-based systems, taking grammatical rules of the language and using this to try and process the text. However, if you've ever learned a language before, you'll know that trying to just learn simple grammatical rules isn't enough to be able to speak and have a conversation like you truly understand that language. More recently, we've had massive advancements in technology and the availability of large data sets for training our NLP models. This has led to now having things like ChatGPT that can really effectively understand and communicate with human-like language. For data scientists, NLP provides such a powerful set of tools for gaining insights from text data. This might have had to have been done manually before, or just not at all. So by leveraging NLP techniques, you'll be able to save massive amounts of time and uncover insights that previously might not have been uncovered. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at some examples of how NLP systems interact with our everyday lives.